In the peaceful village of Harmony Vale, nestled between lush hills and brooks, lived a wise owl named Olivander. The villagers revered him for his knowledge. The village believed in one God, Lumi, the source of light and wisdom. Every evening, they gathered around a grand oak tree to hear Olivander's tales. One day, a family of sparrows arrived in Harmony Vale. The sparrows, Papa, Mama, Little Chirp, and Baby Wings, had different beliefs and were curious about the villagers' customs. They were warmly welcomed, with Olivander inviting them to the evening gathering. That evening, as lanterns glowed, Olivander began his tale about two brothers. One believed in many stars as guides, while the other trusted a single bright star. They traveled, learning truths and collecting stories, each following their own belief. The brothers came across a dark forest. The younger, trusting his bright star, ventured into the darkness and emerged safely, finding treasures and wisdom. The elder, distracted by many stars, hesitated and learned the value of simplicity and unity. Papa Sparrow asked what happened to the brothers. Olivander explained that the younger brother's belief in one star led him safely, while the elder learned that one bright light could hold vast truths. Mama Sparrow pondered if one God could be as fulfilling as many. Olivander nodded, saying believing in one God is a journey of trust and unity. Like the single star, Lumi guides even in darkness, teaching unity and clarity. Little Chirp and Baby Wings felt inspired, realizing they could explore unity in diversity. As the evening darkened, the sparrows exchanged nods with the villagers, joining in evening songs, finding common ground and new friendships under Harmony Vale's serene sky. Olivander's stories continued, bringing light and unity to all who gathered.